Good morning. It is, I think, the 17th today. I have to go to my lab today, do some homework, and then I'm going to my dad's to do some test stuff. And also we have some car update stuff today. Let's go. Okay, so Dr. Wong is going to run the PCR test for us, and basically what we're doing is we're taking the enzyme pTAQ, and then we took it out and we ran it through a few other things, and we're basically just trying to run it through PCR test to amplify it and test the enzyme against our DNA to check the integrity of it. So very cool stuff, and stay tuned if you want to know updates about this experiment. And then basically I need to do some editing and then head to my dad's. Okay, so I technically have a compromised immune system. And so I have this like huge routine. I do those like fizzy tablets like once or more than a day. And then I always up my vitamin D, and then I do like NyQuil every night. Put such a strain that like I need that sleep. And then I always take like zinc tablets too, and like that kind of helps. But then I also do like tea and stuff, and I'm trying to like, and yeah, so now I need to go and edit a bunch of films and finish my homework, and then go to my dad's. Let's go.
Don't accuse me of battery.
Okay, so a current car update. We are gonna go to Part City and pick up a brand new alternator because we think that this one is like faulty or something. And then we're getting Chinese for dinner. Hey Dad, this isn't a garage.
No, it is.
Take the battery and get it tested, but now we don't have to take out the alternator. I'm out of focus and you're in focus.
Hopefully.
Now we're both out of focus. A George appearance!
Say something.
Well, here's what I think we've learned, is that the battery's good. We had that tested, so we know that's good. I think what happened is that these connections were loosey-goosey. So when the terminals were on there, then it wasn't really feeding the battery. So I got new connectors. These are going to come off, new lugs, new stuff, new tightening, new stuff. So now it's going to work, I think, hopefully. But wait. Who am I?
All done.
Do I look sweaty?
I did so much work.
Last nut was a bear. It was making me nuts, that nut.
Oh no.
But I think it's done.
Yeah.
We have an alternator universe.
Why are you like this? Okay, good night everyone.